Hey guys, it's Metal Snow 007, and today I will be showing you two more of the Disney Planes and Cars haul of all the Disney Planes and Cars I got for Christmas. And today I will be showing you Kabuto and Uncle Topolino. Kabuto and Uncle Topolino are both 1/55 scale die-cast items made from Mattel. They are metal and they have no stickers, and the only plastic is on Kabuto, which is on his head and on his rear end thingy. And Uncle Topolino only has this little thingy down there that's plastic. Uncle Topolino. Kabuto. Well guys, this wraps up my second toy review for my Christmas toy review haul videos. And I hope you guys have a great day and keep watching Metal Snow 007. I'll have more toy reviews coming out really soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.